Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can unlink your Facebook and Instagram accounts. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm logged into Instagram and I don't have an account linked to Facebook at this moment, but I'm going to go and show you how you can do it anyway. Now, you can go into your profile icon in the bottom right, then into the top right, hit these three vertical bars or horizontal bars. Then you're going to go into your account center. This is basically used for most of your operations, using your account to customize your account and make some changes to its, well, attributes, I guess you could say. Then once you're in your account center, you want to scroll all the way down until you get to accounts. Then you want to click on the arrow or click on the button, and here you'll see a list of all your linked accounts. I click on add accounts, as you can see, I can add a Facebook and add an Instagram account. However, that doesn't matter right now since I don't have any accounts that I can add. But if you had other accounts, specifically your Facebook account, as you can see, you'll see your account name and the platform it's on. You will see a red remove button right next to it. You just want to click on that, and then after that, the steps you need to do is basically just continue, and confirm that you want to remove your account or unlink it, and that is basically all you need to do to unlink your accounts. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.